Okay. I started recording. I completely forgot to record the process. So I'm here with the Benz, trying to change the fuel pump. Um, I don't have a good jack. The jack I have is not, don't bring the car high enough. So I have to improvise. Yep. That's my jack. Try to put that together at the shop. It's not tall enough. I need higher so I can fit under it. Because I have to get there. So let's see how this goes. I kind of don't want to go in there. I don't feel stable enough for some reason. But I want to get the fuel pump on so I can get the car started. So I need fuel pump. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I got the key in the car. The car cranks. It's just I'm getting no fuel. So I got two fuel pumps. I got a Bosch and I bought a regular one. Same thing. They both do the same thing. This is a filter. Brand new filter. That's the pump. Got two. It takes two pumps. So let me get under there. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm under the car. There's the fuel assembly. Let me see. Gotta take it off, but the screws are not helping me. And I don't have WD-40 to loosen them up. So I'll see how I do it. I'm gonna have to take them one by one. Okay. Alright. So this pump is weird. Besides that, it has, well, this fuel assembly is weird. Besides that, it has two fuel pumps. It got two fuel pumps, a filter, and something else. I don't know what it is. So I almost have it out, but I need to get a key for this one. Where is it? Right here. I have the cube, but I need a wrench because the little cube don't fit, and the cables are old and they're falling apart. It looks like they're falling apart, and I don't want to pull too hard and break them, because then that's gonna be a big old project. It was bad enough. I've been trying to raise this car enough that I could fit under the car. I've been trying to do that for the past 3 days, and finally got it. Imagine me breaking a cable or something. I have a friend that's supposed to come today to help me out, take it out, but he said he'll be here by 6. My parking lot, we don't have light. It's really dark back there. So I figured, let me just start playing with it. I could get this out. I just don't have tools. That's my main issue. I don't have tools. I'm an iron worker, so I have iron work tools. Wait, let me put the seatbelt on. It's annoying. There we go. So I'm a welder. I have tools in my shop, but to weld, not to take off fuel pumps. So I'm going to AutoZone right now. It's super hot. I'm trying to get this car started so I could at least enjoy it for the next few days that the summer's still here. If not, it's gonna be for next. Well, I might not even be able to get to drive it because I gotta do the brakes. Never mind, at least I get to turn it on. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone, get this piece, and then go back. So finally, I was able to remove the freaking thing, the fuel pump. Now I'm gonna change it. Change the filter. One pump. Pump number 2. Pump it right there. That's the equipment. Now let's see how we take this apart. So, me and my seatbelt now. Let me put the seatbelt on. So I started working on the car today, like around 3. It's 7:42. Like again, I had no tools, so I had to keep going back and forth to AutoZone buying stuff that I needed. And I put the pump back. I had my friend pulled up, and I thought he knew what he was doing, but he was more confused than me. So nothing. I put the assembly together. I installed everything, and I sent it, and nothing happened. So I'm gonna check. Maybe the battery's there. I mean, I put the starting fluid. It started for 2 seconds, and then it went back and shut off. So I contact my cousin. He's a mechanic. He's telling me that something is wrong. That maybe I plugged everything in the wrong way, but red goes to red, black goes to black. How can I mess that up? So maybe the battery is dead. Maybe I don't know. Maybe the car has no gas. I have no idea. I'm going to check tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up early and go mess with it. Let's see what happens. Anyway, I'm gonna do another video because this is gonna be a little too long. So don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, any suggestion, what you think. Should I keep going with this car? Should I sell it? By the way, I couldn't get the title yet, so it's a little mess. I'm gonna make another video talking about the title, what's going on with the title, and all that. Anyhow, so I'm off this. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Any ideas? What could be wrong with the car? What can be wrong with the car? I don't know.